News, Advanced Logistic Partners got a $130,000 federal contract to replace HVAC systems at a federal gate facility. Here's proof. For over 15 years, I've been teaching contractors how to find, bid, negotiate, and perform federal government construction contracts just like this one. To get into the exciting world of federal government construction, schedule a Zoom with me at GCExperts.com/Zoom. Job, steady pay, paid on time, that's how they play. Clear scope, written tight, rules in writing, black and white, less risk, better flow. Prompt payment, cash don't slow, do it right, get more work, that's the game and that's the